This chingudi cholo with hot steaming rice satiates both your taste buds and tummy. Let's make it. You start by coating the washed prawns with mustard oil, turmeric and salt and shallow frying them in mustard oil till they appear shiny orange. And the smell and the sizzle is literally wow. Now set this aside and prepare the base of the curry by using the leftover mustard oil, a little bit of sugar for the color, whole spices for the flavor, chopped onions, freshly made onion ginger garlic paste, some ground spices as on screen, tomato puree and salt. Keep sauteing them until the masala gets cooked. If it starts drying up, add a little of coconut milk and continue sauteing it till the masala is done. Now add the sauteed prawns, coconut milk and slit chili. Cover and cook till the prawns are completely done and you get the desired consistency. Adjust the quantity of coconut milk per your liking and serve this with hot steaming rice. This also pairs well with roti. Do give it a try. Eat hearty and tickle thy palate.